Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to look at Chrome Voice AI and let's see what our AI clone has to say about Chrome Voice. So this one here is my AI clone and let's see what it does say.
What if you could make your computer speak in your exact voice, even if you typed it out just seconds before? Well, that's exactly what Clone Voice AI lets you do. Clone Voice AI refers to sophisticated
What you just heard is my AI clone. I did not speak. It was the clone that spoke on behalf of me. How do you do that? Once you have Chrome Voice AI, you can just come in here and see Chrome Voice. You can see something like this option. You just choose instant, you just record your voice and give it a name, and thereafter you can use that voice for anything. So I have recorded my voice, and that's the one you just heard right here. Let me just show you once more.
artificial intelligence technology that creates a synthetic replica of a human voice.
As you heard, my phone obviously speaks much better than I do, and that's really amazing. So that's the first functionality of Chrome Voice AI. You can clone your voice and you can synthesize speech from it. So that's very simple. First of all, you just record your voice, then you just come to the option called create audio. Once you are here, you can give the name, your audio file name, whatever name you want. I'm going to name sample. Okay, let me just give sample for live. Sample for live. And you just have to select boost similarity, then select the voice. Uh, Once you come here, you can see a lot of options. The one you have to select is the cloned one because you have already submitted your clone voice. Once you click on that, you can actually find your voice. Okay, you can actually find a lot of voice here. This one here is my voice. I'm going to choose that one. And once I've selected that one, you can actually find a lot of uh, different languages some 50 some languages are available. You can actually take a look at those languages. Obviously, I will be giving in the YouTube description some of these languages available. More languages will be available in the future based on the team's perspective. So once you that, you can paste your script or you can ask AI to give you a script. You just click on generate script and you just type in topic, YouTube, SEO. I'm gonna give YouTube SEO and you can connect to category. Okay, I'm gonna need something like podcast script. Then click on generate script, and the AI will generate a script for you, and you can use the script to create your own voice speech. So it's taking a bit of time, but here you go. You can actually see. We can edit. We can actually edit it around. We can type it, edit it, remove things, and once you're okay, you want this script, then you can just click on I have read and agree to terms service, then create new audio and you will create audio with your voice. You can actually listen to your sample.
Hello, my name is Nandu, and this is Clone Voice AI voiceover. Using
Okay. We can edit that and make changes. We can actually add an expression like chuckle, cough in between the speech. You can actually input these and once the speaker is speaking, you can chuckle, there's a long pause. You can actually give all those of them here. That's for under video. Just click on generate audio and your audio will be generated and will be available under my audios like the sample for live. I'll show you it you once it's done. Just create under one musical clone voice latest. No, yeah. Okay, let's me just play it for you.
The circus hung beneath the glow of neon light beams, like dreaming by Nettie while searching for your human dream.
That right there is super musical created with Clone Voice AI. And how do you do that? It's really simple. Once you have Clone Voice, you just come to this section called Create Music. And you can see an interface like this. It shows old and new. Old is the older version, which lets you make some music, but yeah, it's basic, quite basic, but it's the new version. That's it. New version, you can copy paste your lyrics, or if you don't have the lyrics, you can ask AI to generate lyrics. You just type in AI, get what my song is about, song about love, and friendship. Let's see that. And thereafter, you can come down and you can set the style. You want a jazz, opera, lullaby, kids, or whatever you want. I'm gonna give like jazz and electro. Okay, you can ask AI to enhance. You can ask AI, I want something with jazz and electro. I want to enhance it to be a beautiful musical experience. Then you can click on enhance and just enhance style. And what the AI does here is that it tries and gives you a suitable style, like NS style, electro swag. Yeah, that's a super style. These are for female vocals. You can change that to male vocals if you want male singer. Okay, I'm gonna use the enhanced style because it always comes out beautiful. So after you've done that, you have to click on the terms and condition because you have to own the right to use the lyrics. If you are using your own lyrics, you have to submit something like, yeah, it's my own lyrics and did not copy and steal from someone else. If you're using AI, it's okay. You get the free package, you get the commercial right along with this. So once you have done that, you just click on generate lyrics and it will generate the basic lyric package for you where you can edit the vocal, verse, chorus, etc. Yeah, there you go. You can come in here and you can edit things around. If you want to change something, you can change it. And once you've done that, just give a name, sample, video song, create now. Okay, whatever name you want. Then click on generate music and it will generate that music for you. So let me just show you a few other things that's available here. There is the voice maker. You can create voice. Okay, you want some type of voice. We have an idea what that voice is. You can type in a prompt and the AI will try and create the voice. You can choose from human voices and non-human voices. If you want human, you can start professional and it create professional human voices. And if you want something like angry ogre and etc., you choose that one. And if you come and see here at the end, three dots, you can find more options like my podcast, create audiobook, sing in your voice. Okay, it's still on a beta. I will show that to you at the end of the video. It's still in beta and there's a long way to go before you can see some improvements. Then there is Pin Genie, which can throw any YouTube video and generate script for you. Then instrumental music, you can create up to 5 minutes of instrumental music using that lot of option. And one another important thing is a public library. Okay, you can actually find tons of voices there. You can actually find like 7,000 plus voices. Okay, you can actually see a lot of voice samples here. You can select one by clicking the plus icon. You can play each voice.
Hey, this is what I sound like. You
Hey, this is what I sound like. You can use me for. Hey, this is what I sound like. You can use me.
Okay, there is like 7,000 plus public library voices which you can use.
Each new morning arise like a quiet promise, bright and steady. Breathe in.
Hey, this is what I sound like. You can use me for narration.
Okay, that's fantastic, right? You get like 7,000 plus voices which you can use for any of your YouTube video, whatever you want, absolutely with no copyright or nothing royalty, etc. And all that you have to do is buy Clone Wars AI, which this amazing platform you can actually do a lot of times. Let me just show you a sample how to create an audio. You just choose the one, create audio, you just give it a name, you just select voice. When you select voice, you will get a lot of options. There's option of system. There are some pre-built voices available with the system, like 30 voices. Then there is the clone voices, the voices which you have cloned. The initial, you just upload your own voice and you can clone it. Make sure you have permission to use voices if you're using someone else's voice, because there can be copyright issues if you don't have permission. Then there is something like design voices you have designed. If you use the voice maker feature and you have designed some voice, you can use those voice.
Hey, this is what I sound like. You can use me for.
That's a voice which I have designed, like a robot speaking style voice, using the voice maker. And then there is the public library. So when you choose the public library, you can only see a few voices. Why? Because I have only selected like around 16 voices which I want to use. Because you cannot simply have 7,000 plus voice right here. Because if you want some voice in the public library here, there's a simple way to do that. It's simple. You just come to the public library and just click on this plus icon right here. Copy to my voices, and it will come into your voice section, and you can use it to create a, a voice over using that particular voice. So that's a really useful tool. So how much does CloudWatch AI cost? So if you're buying Suno AI, you can create a free music, but you don't want it commercial right. But you have to pay something like $10 or $5 a month or something like that, and you can create music and you can paste it and use it as long as you have the commercial right. Then there is 11 labs, you can clone your voices, and there is a lot of languages available, but there are restrictions from our side because some 50 plus languages are only available. But English language you can easily clone and use just like the one I showed. I cloned my own voice and showed that to you. That's really fantastic. So the pricing is like a one-time price. They have two offers, like a basic package and a commercial one. Okay, let me just come down here. This page shows all the features, the languages which are currently available. Uh, Only few languages are listed, more languages are there because Tamil, Hindi, and all are available. Tamil is not mentioned here because it came the latest update. More languages will be added soon. You can add a lot of things in here. Okay, let me just go down to the pricing and show you the two offers available. Okay, there are two packages, the basic plan and the all access. What I tell you is go for the all access. You just pay a one-time price and you want everything, create music, clone a voice, change a voice. You get all the free updates and everything pretty much free. So we just move to somewhere here. Okay, let me just show you. So the basic feature, you can get much longer voice cloning, AI voice dubbing, hundreds of next-gen AI voices. You get like hundreds of next-gen voices in the basic plan, as voice express, as sound effect maker, script writer, audio merger, and a fair use limit of 30 minutes of audio per day. That's a per day limit, like get each other 30 minutes of audio per day, uh, which might be sufficient for most people. Then there is some bonus like meta customer group access, WhatsApp group access, where some paints and all will be given. The basic plan comes at $49. There's no discount, there's no offer. You have to pay plan $49 to get the basic plan. So there are some limitations in the basic plan because you don't get full access. Let me just show you the full access plan. So what is the all access? Full access plan gives you everything you have in the basic plus everything in basic plus premium features like AI prompt voice maker. You can create a voice from prompt. That's what I told you. You can create voice of a person based on a description. That's the voice maker feature. Then there is multi-speaker AI audio podcast. You can create an audio podcast with multiple speakers. I'll show an example in short while. AI voice changer, you can use that to change the voice. AI music maker between your guys. Yeah, that's what most people want. They want to create a voice musical with vocals. Then add emotional AI voices. That 7,000 plus premium AI voice library. All the staffs, all the amazing voices. Then there is the AI song lyrics writer, a wire script genie, kid music studio, unlimited audio creation, but it's not truly unlimited. It's like 2 hour limit per day. Yeah, there is there is 2 hours of audio daily. You can create up to 2 hours of audio each day. So there is only like each day limit, but it can use it each day and you can create unlimited audios. Other than that, then there is fast rendering. You just saw that I just rendered some voice and it was quick to generate. Private support, you want some issues with the software, you want private support, you get that and everything, and you get for a special discount price of $148 for a single price. So if you're buying 11 laptops, you like pay a monthly subscription. Say you pay like $10 for the basic plan, $10. You can pay for 12 months and it's around $120, and you have the internal credit limit and everything. Right here, you just pay one price of $148 right now. It can increase. The actual pricing they are given is 169. They can even further increase it. So you pay $148 and you get all those features. That's simply amazing, right? So that's just